Hi educators, this is Kennedy with the State Historical Society of Iowa. In these videos, we are going to walk through some of our favorite strategies for teaching inquiry in your social studies classroom. The gallery walk is a fun and engaging way to get students of all ages involved in inquiry. Let's take a look on how to set up your gallery walk and to put it into practice. The first step is for educators to create questions and compile sources. Gallery walks are a wonderful way to have students examine multiple sources to answer a compelling question. Next, you will want to choose around 5 to 8 primary sources for students to examine. Once you have chosen your sources, you will want to create questions, usually around 2 to 4 for each source. The questions should help to answer the compelling question mentioned at the beginning of the activity. An easy way to do this quickly is to utilize our primary source educator resources located on our website. It is usually easiest to print out a packet of your questions for students to use. Once you have all your materials ready, you will want to hang the sources up around the room, making sure to space them out so the students do not get too crowded. When completed, your finished setup should look like this. You will want to lay out the packets along with clipboards and pencils for students to use during their walk. Now you are ready for your lesson. Group students into teams of 3 to 5 students depending on the size of the class. Each group should start at a different station. At their first station, groups will look at what is posted and answer the questions corresponding to the correct source. It is often useful for students to have a time limit to make sure they are working efficiently. After the time limit has been reached, have the groups rotate to the next station and complete the questions corresponding with the new source. For students with mobility needs, you may do the gallery walk in a more stationary setting where the students are staying in one place and the primary sources are rotating. As the teacher, it is important to monitor the stations while the students participate. You may also need to clarify or provide hints if students don't understand or misinterpret what is posted at their station. Once the students have completed their gallery walk, it will be time to reflect on what they have learned. You may do this in a multitude of ways. One suggestion is to give students time to discuss with a partner. Their task when reflecting is to discuss what they have learned from the sources, and they will be trying to answer the compelling question. Reflection will be the final step of your gallery walk.